Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss one of the major science and technology development program in the Philippines, the Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Program. The Philippines is one of the countries most vulnerable to typhoons, floods, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Because of this, the government uses science and technology to help protect lives and reduce the impact of disasters. The Disaster Risk Reduction and Climate Change Program involves the uses of scientific research, weather forecasting, hazard mapping, and early warning system. Government agencies such as DOST, PAG-ASA, and PVOLCS work together to monitor weather conditions, earthquakes, volcanoes, and other natural hazards. These agencies provide warnings and information to communities before disaster occur. The main goal of the program are to protect lives and property, to improve disaster preparedness, to provide accurate weather and hazard information, to reduce the effects of the climate change, to help communities recover quickly after disasters. These goals aim to make Filipino communities safer and more resilient. This program contributes to nation building by reducing disaster-related damages and protecting economic activities. When communities are prepared for disasters, schools, businesses, and government services can continue functioning more effectively. The program also promotes scientific research and innovation, helping the country develop modern technologies for disaster management. The benefits to Filipino people and communities: early warnings before typhoons and floods, improve evacuation planning, better protection of homes and infrastructure, increase public awareness about disaster preparedness, reduce loss of lives during emergencies. Many communities now receive weather updates through mobile phones, television, and social media. Despite its success, the program still faces challenges such as limited funding in some areas, lack of disaster preparedness in remote communities, insufficient public awareness, damage to communication system during disasters. Recommendation: to improve the program, and government should increase funding for disaster technologies, expand education campaigns, improve internet and communication systems, strengthen partnerships with local communities. In conclusion, disaster risk reduction and climate change programs plays an important role in protecting Filipinos and promoting national development. Through science and technology, the Philippines can better prepare for natural disasters and building a safer future for everyone. Thank you for listening and have a great day, everyone.